But I would like to ask about some problem which is in Bosnia now. Many people have a job, well, some people have a job and they are getting more rich than they were before the war, while most of population live very hard life and they survive to meet daily needs. Even those orphans whose fathers died during the war lost their lives. So which advice would you give us how to spread this money and to those who need, who are living very poor life? Is it failure of Islamic organization there, or because most of those population which I'm talking about are Muslims?
I don't see any question at all in this. It's a matter of common sense. The Quranic teaching emphasized so much the rights of orphans that in the light of that, anything you can do for the sake of orphans is Islamic. So I still do not see the nature of the question. Why? What is bothering you about it?
How we could somehow force those people who have that very much more than they need to give something to poor, stimulate them.
You cannot force them. No one can. This is the freedom of human choice. If they choose to be evil, let them be evil. Only Allah will treat them after they die or maybe during this life. So don't act God. Don't take the powers of God in your hand and to enforce whatever you think is right upon others. That's the only answer. You're helpless. So am I. Please.